May I come in, sir?
Yes, come in.
Morning, sir.
Good morning. Have a seat. How
Thank you,
are
sir.
you?
I am fine, sir.
Okay, tell me about yourself.
Thank you, sir, for giving me this golden opportunity to introduce myself in front of you. My name is Anshuman. I am from Munger district of Bihar. Basically, I am living in Jodhpur, Rajasthan. My father name is Subhadar Amit Kumar and my mother name is Mrs. Chandni Kumari. My father is an army personnel and my mother is a homemaker. I am currently studying in APS Jodhpur. Side by side, I am preparing for the Rashtriya Military School. My hobbies are to walk in an open environment and do coloring in painting. My strength is to I am a quick learner and I am a positive thinker.
Okay. What is the meaning of your name and does it suit your personality?
Sir, the meaning of my name is the first ray of sun. Yes, it suits my personality because I am a bright student and I am a hard work in my work.
Okay, that's great. Describe your daily routine from the moment you wake up until you go to sleep.
I wake up, and and I am fresh. And after I go to school, then I will come to school. I will take a small rest. I will do my homework, and I will go to playing outdoor games, and I will go to sleep. Then I will.
Okay. Who is your role model in your family and why?
Sir, my role model is my father because of their hard work and handle responsibilities, even the difficult.
Okay. As you already told about your strength, give us a real life example where you used it.
So please repeat the question.
You mentioned that you are a quick learner and hardworking student. Okay. In real life, where you used it.
Sir, when we are going to the RMS entrance examination, before 10 days, I will do my homework and preparing for the RMS and for the interview also.
Okay. What is your biggest weakness and what steps are you taking to overcome it?
So my biggest weakness is I cannot express my feelings to others.
Okay. And what steps are you taking to overcome it?
Sir, I will don't talk too much with my friends.
Okay. How do you handle pressure or a very busy day at school?
Sir, I will doing studies or playing in school.
Describe your hometown. What are two things it is famous for?
So my hometown is famous for the one historical monument, Bodh Gaya, and his traditional dress is dhoti and kurta, and the famous food of my hometown is litti chokha.
Okay, that's great. Why do you want to leave your home and stay in a hostel at such a young age?
Sir, I will understand that to achieve my goals, I would go to the RMS to do hard work and become a disciplined student.
Okay, that's great. Which is your favorite subject and who is your favorite teacher and why?
So my favorite subject is maths and my favorite teacher is Suhaib sir because of their teaching skills and the determination to their students, and they motivate the student to ask the questions.
If you like science, can you explain the difference between nuclear fission and fusion?
Sir, I do not like science. I like maths.
Okay. Tell me the formula for the volume of a cylinder and a cone.
Sir, cylinder formula is 2 pi r square h, and the cone formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h.
Okay. What is the volume of the cylinder?
Sir, uh, uh, 2 pi r square h.
That is, I think, T as well.
Yes, sir. Sir, pi r square h.
Pi r square. Okay. Who is your favorite historical character and what is one quality of their you admire?
Sir, don't have the specific historical character.
Okay. If I give you a newspaper right now, which section will you read first and why?
Sir, sports section.
Sports sections. And why?
Sir, because I want to playing sports and a hobby.
Okay. What is the importance of preamble in Indian Constitution?
Sir, I don't know about this, but I try to find out.
Okay. Can you name 5 oceans of the world in order of their size?
Sir, I don't know about.
You don't know about the oceans.
Sir, I don't know about the ocean sizes.
You just have to name the
Okay, sir.
oceans according to their size. Which
Sir.
is greatest?
Sir, Pacific Ocean.
Then
I don't know.
at least you can name the oceans.
Sir, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Southern Ocean, and the Indian Ocean.
Explain the water cycle in simple terms.
Sir, I don't know.
Okay. Why do we see lightning before we hear thunder?
Sir, I don't know about this, but I try to find out.
Okay. So why do you want to join the Rashtriya Military School?
Sir, RMS is the one of the finest institution in India, known for its physical fitness, academic excellence, and discipline.
Okay. Why do you want? What do you want? What do you know about the history of Rashtriya Military School?
Sir, RMS is established as King George Royal Indian Military Schools. There are 5 military schools in India: Chel, Ajmer, Belgaum, Bangalore, and Dholpur.
Okay. What is the motto of RMS and what does it mean to you?
Sir, the motto of RMS is Sheelam Param Bhushan, and the meaning is character as the highest virtue.
Okay. If you don't get selected today, what will be your next step?
Sir, I am confident in my performance. However, if I am not selected, I will analyze my weakness and I am prepared for the next year or directly target the NDA after class 12.
Okay, that's great. Name 3 chiefs of Indian Armed Forces.
Sir, the first chief of Army Staff is General Upendra Dwivedi. Second, the chief of Naval Staff is Admiral Dinesh Kumar Tripathi, and the Air Chief Marshal Amarpreet Singh.
Okay, that's great. Where is NDA located?
Sir, Khadakwasla, Pune.
Okay. What are the equivalent ranks in the Army, Navy, and Air Force of Subedar?
Sir, in Navy, Chief Petty Officer, and in Air Force, Junior Warrant Officer.
Who was the first Field Marshal of India?
Sir SHFJ Sam Manakshu.
Can you name the highest gallantry award in India? Who was the first recipient?
Sir Paramveer Chakra, and the first aspirant is Major Somnath Sharma.
Okay. What is the role of Indian Army during peacetime?
Sir, I don't know about this.
You don't know?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is your favorite hobby? How did you develop an interest in it?
So my favorite hobby is to walk in open environment.
And how did you develop an interest in it?
Sir, because to walk in, I would learn about the environment and of the trees.
Tell me the dimensions of the uh, field of your favorite sport.
So badminton.
Yeah.
So badminton is my favorite sport, and there are one or two players on each side.
But I am asking about the dimensions.
Sir, I don't understood the question.
Dimensions of the field. What is the size of the field? What is the length? What is the breadth?
Sir, length is 13.5 centimeter, and the
Only centimeter?
no sir meter, and the breadth is 6.5 meter.
Okay. Who is your favorite sport person and what is their most inspiring quality?
Sir, I have no specific sports person.
If you are captain of a losing team, okay,
Yes, sir.
how will you motivate your players?
Sir, I will motivate my players to encourage him to do not hesitate and make the team spirit.
Okay, that's great. How do you spend your Sunday or a holiday?
So I spend my holiday to doing study or to playing outdoor games.
Okay. Do you prefer any individual sports or team sports?
Sir, I will prepare to the individual sport.
Why?
Sir, because I want to play alone in one court.
But you are going to join Rashtriya Military Schools
Yes, sir.
where all the group matter. If one of your colleague do mistake, all the group will be punished.
Yes, sir.
And you like individual sports.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the most recent book you read or movie you watched? And what was the lesson you learned from them?
Sir, I don't watch an movie and don't read a book.
If you are given 1,000 rupees to spend on your hobby, how will you use it?
Sir, I will buy an racket, and rest of the money I will give it to my parents.
But you have to spend on your hobbies only.
Hobbies. Sir, I will buy an colors and some shoes, and some money will left I will give it to my parents, or I will use it for my future needs.
Okay. How do you balance your studies with your sports activities?
Sir, I will study 3 to 4 hours, and I am playing outdoor games at evening.
Have you ever participated in a stage activity like drama or debate? Tell us about the experience.
Sir, in singing, I am participate.
Okay, and tell us about the experience.
Sir, I am very excited for the singing, but uh, then we are going to stage. I am very hesitant and very scared about the stage.
Okay. You see a classmate stealing a pen from another student's bag. What do you do?
Sir, I will first politely talk to him and talk him to the return the pen. If he ignores me, I will report it to the principal or to the teacher.
Okay. Your home catches, your house catches fire while you are alone.
Yes, sir.
What are your first reactions?
Sir, I will call the fire brigade. Then I will call and help, or I will call my neighbors to extinguish the fire.
Okay. You are late for an exam and you see an old man injured on the road. How do you react?
Sir, I will first call the ambulance to to
Take the old
take
man
the
to the
old man to the
hospital.
hospital. Then I will go to the examination hall.
Okay. If your roommates in the hostel are bullying a junior, ठीक है, how will you handle in this situation?
Sir, firstly, I will talk to my friend and I will say, don't bully the juniors. He is a juniors, and I am talk to don't bully, and he ignores me. Then I will report it to the teacher or to the housemaster.
Okay. You are lost in a new city without a phone or money. Okay. How will you reach home?
Sir, first I would talk to the local peoples and for the directions. Then I will go to the home.
Okay. If I give you a choice between 1 crore rupees and a seat in RMS, what would you choose and why?
Sir, I will choose the seat in RMS because in my life I would I would take the 1 crore rupees.
How would you react if you failed in a very important test despite working very hard?
Sir, I will not be discouraged. I will try for the next year or the next examination.
Okay. Your teacher gives you a punishment for something you didn't do. How do you respond?
Sir, I will do the punishment. However, I am not do. Uh, then then I will very hesitant and scared about the teacher.
Okay. Why should we select you over the candidates waiting outside?
Sir, while I cannot comment on others, I have never give up attitude and the ability to adapt the hostel life.
Okay. Do you have any questions for us?
Sir, I have one question for you. To please give the one bad quality of me.
Okay. You are making a lots of round sentences. You are just saying I am do. You are using again and again I am, I am, I am.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You have to work on it.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Anshuman, that was great conversation, and we have you are selected. You can leave the room.
Thank you, sir.